Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite beauty vlogger, and in today's video I'll be doing a look that is positively pink. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. I hope you enjoy the video. Now I will say I apologise I haven't been posting as much. I did post a video the other day, but I filmed that weeks ago. I've not been very well. I've been in hospital. It's just been a whole shebang. So I wasn't really in a mood to put makeup on or do anything. I've literally been lying in bed for 2 weeks. So I hope this video is good for you. My birthday's soon. I should be posting a video on my birthday. I'm not sure whether this is going to come before or after my birthday. It depends how quick I can edit, but I really just don't have a lot of energy. But makeup really is my life, so I thought cheer myself up today and just go insane on makeup. And of course it's going to be pink because pink is my favourite colour. I'm wearing it today and it's going to be all over my face. Now I have already done a base because to me it's not boring, but it made me boring to others, and I just want to get on with the pink. So because I have contoured, I've concealed, I've done foundation, I've powdered, I've done my brows, the first thing I'm going to go in today is my blush. Now I've used this on my channel quite a few times. If you're new here, then this is the Claret blush and bronze palette. It's got 2 bronzer shades and then 8 kind of like blushes. Perfect for each and every skin tone. This cost me £20 and I use this in my kit because it's just got every single blush you could want. It's got baby pinks, it's got hot pinks, it's got deep cherries and purples, and it's got some peaches as well. So it's got every blush you could possibly want. And because this look is going to be extremely pink today, I'm going to go in with that lolly shade, which is a nice kind of like bright neon pink. My shirt's pretty bright and neon today, so we're going to have the makeup to match. And I'm going to apply it using the Real Techniques 200 brush. Now I'm not usually one for a lot of blush, but today we are pushing the boundaries and just having fun, so it's going to go all the way up and around the temple. Okay, so there's the blush done. Yes, it's intense, but what did I say? The look was going to be pink today, so that is what I intend to do. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. Now I'm actually going to use 3 different palettes. I've got the Colourpop Ulala Palette because it is all pink and it is adorable. I'm also going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Gold because it has a gorgeous pink shimmer. On the camera it's more purple, but in real life it is pink. And for the last palette, which I'm going to be using mainly, this is the Beauty Bay New Romantic palette, and I actually have a review on it and I will put it up here because you need to watch it. Okay, so I'm going to quickly prime my eyes and I'll be back to get started on the look. Okay, so I'm going to start off with Vanilla in the Beauty Bay New Romantics palette, and I'm going to use the Morphe M524 just to apply it all over my lid like I normally do. I'm now going to go in with the shade Flamingo, and that's going to be my transitional. And I'm going to make sure it connects nicely into that blush because actually they are very similar colours. So they are going to blend together really beautifully. Cute! Now I'm going to take a more smaller kind of blending brush, and I'm going to be taking the shade Milkshake, which is almost the same colour as my shirt. It's just kind of like a bright neon-y pink. Moving on to the next colour, and it's probably my favourite colour in the entire palette, and it's that shade there called Claret. And I'm going to just take this small packing brush and I'm literally just going to be applying it onto my outer corner for some added depth. And I am going to bring it across here just to help blend it all together. and of course that is going to give it some depth also. Don't worry if you go further down, we are going to conceal that out and like kind of cut out the shape right here, so don't worry too much about it. And then if you feel like you have gone way OTT, take your kind of small blending brush just to help blend out the edges. I don't add on any more product, I just keep with what I've got already on there, and I feel like that helps just blend it out as much as you need it to. And it's going to make our blush look a little bit more intense, which today isn't a bad thing. So I'm now going to just cut that out, and I'm just going to use my trusty P. Louise primer base. Right, perfect. But what I am going to do now is where I've done kind of like that carved out bit, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I am going to be using that pink shade Living Lavish. So basically that pink shimmer is just going to kind of merge those two together, and I am obsessed with this palette because all the shimmers are a winner. Just to kind of finish that end bit, I'm going to go back in with the Claret shade right here, just to kind of help merge these two together again, because I still want that depth on the outer corner, and I kind of want the lines to be visible but still blended. Now I'm going to go in with the Ulala Palette by Colourpop, and I think I'm just going to use a mixture of Big Sugar and Tickled, kind of like on my inner corner. Now for the next step, I know it's not pink, but we are going in with it anyway just to add a bit of dynamics. I'm going in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Blossom. It's a lilac, and I'm literally just going to draw a line from my inner corner out to where the cut crease is and just wing it out. Ta-da! Now what I'm going to do is quickly go off camera, add some lashes and do the other eye. Okay, so I'm just quickly back a second. I did do a liner because it needed something, and I'm halfway through putting my lashes on, and I just wanted to show you what it was like to have lashes and not have lashes, and the difference of the look. So clearly this one has lashes on and this one doesn't, and just look at that difference. That's why I love to apply lashes with my looks, because it just elevates the look, and it's literally just a lash. And I mean, you can tell the difference. It just looks more extra and extreme, and I love it. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm going in with my Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter in Ice, the one I normally use, like the palette, but I'm going to be using the pink one, but it is broken, so I'm going to have to be super duper careful. And I'm going to apply it using this Spectrum brush. I'm trying to work out the name, but it has rubbed off. I think it's a B08. It's just a perfect fluffy kind of blending brush that I love to use for highlighter. Kind of bring it onto the apples of my cheeks as well, just to that highlighted kind of cheek look. I'm not going to bring it up all the way like I normally do because we have all that highlighter already, that blush, sorry, already there. Don't want too much, and I want the blush to kind of speak for itself. Middle one. On across this tiny bit here, on the forehead, and then using my finger, just going to do the nose. Oh, perfect. so now moving on to the lips, I'm going in with two products today. I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Latex in the shade But First. It's going to match my shirt perfectly. And then I'm going in with this Nars Lip Gloss called Easy Lover. Okay, so I did just leave it as the Too Faced Melted Latex. It does say High Shine Lipstick. I got into my head that it was going to be matte, but I love it anyway, so I'm just going to keep it like this, and it goes perfectly with my eyes and my outfit. So, last but not least, I am going to do my setting spray. And the setting spray I'm using today is my NYX Dewy Finish, like I always do, because I want it nice and glossy and sparkly and lovely. And there you have it, there is my Positively Pink makeup look. It is intense, it is pink, I love it. I'm obsessed with the eyes, they're my favourite thing of today. I'm pretty confident about them, so that is good. It's always nice when you do a look or anything that actually turns out alright and you're proud of. So I really hope you liked the video today. It wasn't exactly anything too hard, or it wasn't like a challenge or anything, so it's just a nice look you can do. Why not at home? Pick a colour and do a look themed on that colour. It's just a bit of fun, something to do to fill up your afternoons as we are still in lockdown. But let's get going to June the 21st so we can finally go out. And if you want to wear this look out, why not? We've had a year of being inside. Go all out, have so much fun, and just go absolutely crazy, because you have definitely earned it. And thank you for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do have loads of other videos for you to watch, which I will put the link for up here. Please make sure you're subscribed, because I come out with new videos every single week. And please hit the notification bell just so you are notified of when new videos come out, because there are a couple a week. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, where I'll put a more in-depth picture of what the eye look looks like, so check that out. And you can also like my pro Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily, because hopefully by April 14th I am allowed to start working again, which is brilliant. So if you have any plans this year, parties, weddings, any events that you need a makeup artist for, then get in touch. And you can also check out my pro website, which I'll link down below, because it has my portfolio on it and my price lists. And you can check out my Twitter, follow me on there, and also check out my TikTok. And I'll actually quickly put in the TikTok I did of this look right now. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!